Welcome back to my channel. It's 𝐸𝑚𝑎𝑧𝑖𝑛𝑔 Glam. I'm so glad you made it back. Thank you for joining me for my romantic date night at home on Valentine's Day weekend. I appreciate each and every one of you. If you can, subscribe to my channel. Give me a thumbs up and let me know that you love content like this. Here is a bed of flowers that Mr. Traveler surprised me with. No, I did not want roses. I did not want a bouquet of flowers this year. I wanted something that lasts all year. And he is so thoughtful. He gave me a bed of flowers to plant in my mom's garden. So that kept me busy for the most part of the day on Valentine's Day. I like to use planting and growing things as therapy because it actually gets me through hard days such as her birthday, the holidays, and things like that. I like to get my hands dirty and dig and plant things and see them grow. And I hope you do the same this year. Here comes Mr. Snowball being nosy. You know how he is. He has to check things out.
Up.
Now that we have everything planted, this is done. And I really like the outcome of it. I like to plant my flowers first. I like to put them in the spots that I think that they'll look good in, and then I go ahead and plant them. And I do this once a year, and I like to see them bloom all year, and it helps me get through the tough days. So here I am getting ready for Valentine's Day. This is Valentine's Day morning, and I like to do facials. I like to steam, and I like to just be natural and feel confident when I take care of myself. I like to do a lot of self-care. So here I am, all natural, no makeup, no weave, no nails, no anything. And I like to just look in the mirror and just enjoy what I see because it gives me confidence and it makes me feel better. When you look better without all that stuff on, it makes you feel so much better and confident. So this is helping me feel romantic as the day goes on. I feel like my workout was planting flowers earlier, so why not? Next, I like to use Vince Camuno body spray, and I like to also use my Viktor and Rolf Flower Bomb perfume. And I picked up this set from Adore Me. I am subscribed to Adore Me subscriptions, and I really love it once a month. No, this video is not sponsored. I buy this with my own money, and I like to give you advice on things that I actually use myself. So here I am all dressed up at night, and no, I didn't go anywhere. Mr. Traveler cooked for me for Valentine's Day. This dress is from 𝓁𝒾𝓀ℯ. I'm wearing Jimmy Choo heels, and I really love the glitter and glam of this outfit. It's very comfortable and not scratchy. Here's the gift that I gave to my love. I want him to drive safely, and I want him to know that I need him home. Here's some more goodies that we exchange for each other. I have more gifts, but you know, I didn't feel like showing them. If you want me to show them, I can later on. But it's just a thought that counts. And here's dinner. 2 porterhouse steaks and some shrimp kebabs, and this is my favorite. I cannot finish the whole thing, but Mr. Traveler can cook. So this is his way of gifting me. I didn't want to go anywhere. I just wanted to stay home and have a romantic dinner. And here it is. It's all done. Broccoli, cauliflower, shrimp kebabs with steak. And here is my dessert. It is a double fudge ganache cake. I don't eat like this very often, but when I do, you better know it's a special occasion. And I just loved my dinner and dessert. It was awesome. The next day, we decided to go to our neighborhood and hang out a little bit. This is Disney Springs. We decided to do a romantic boat ride, and we are being safe, sterile, and using our sanitizer, and we social distance. We were the only ones on the boat, so it was really, really romantic. There is the Contemporary Resort. We really enjoyed it. It was just us, the staff, and captain, and we are just taking a really romantic boat ride. If you can, just explore your neighborhood and see what's available in your own neighborhoods. and this is a strange time of the year, I recommend to check out things that's going on in your neighborhood. So here's Disney Springs. We saw a really cute concert at Disney Springs that night, and we just hung out a little bit. That's it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give me a thumbs up and let me know you loved it. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. Live your dreams, glam your lifestyle. Jump over to Mr. Traveler and check us out where we travel the world. Thank you. Have a great day. Bye, everyone.